In the past, garbage collection and disposal is not that much concerned with. However, as the years pass with the industrialization, the population gets increases, thus the garbages also increases. That is why proper waste disposal is a must and there are some methods used today. The first method is the landfill. The waste that isn't recycled or used usually ends up at a landfill site. After each layer of garbage, a layer of soil is added. However, burying waste at these landfill sites can cause environmental and health issues. It is the source of pollutions and the chemicals can also leak into the surrounding soil. The second method is the incineration. It is also known as combustion that involves burning solid waste at a high temperatures to convert them into heat, gas, steam, and ash. This produces energy to generate heat, but incinerators produce greenhouse gases that can still harm our planet. The next method is waste compaction. The waste such as plastic bottles and cans are sent for recycling. This process prevents the oxidation of metals and also reduces airspace needed. Aside from that, it contributes to a better site hygiene and safety. For waste compaction, eliminate the issues associated with bins or skips. However, large garbage compactors on properties with hundreds of residents may result to waste disposal problems with the lack of regulation. The next method is the biogas generation. The waste that can be broken down, such as food items or animal waste, are sent to biodegradation plants and converted to biogas by degradation with the help of bacteria, fungi, and others. But the system used in making of biogas are not that efficient. There is an absence of new technologies that can be used in the process to make it low cost. The next method is composting. It is a method of waste disposal that decomposes organic waste by allowing it to be in one place for months until the microbes decompose it. It is one of the best methods as it turns the unsafe organic products into a safe compost. However, the process may take time and it may also take a lot of space. The next method is the vermicomposting. It is the process by which worms are used to convert organic materials into a humus-like material known as vermicompost. It is regarded as a clean and sustainable. It is also faster and can be done outdoors and indoors. However, it may attract flies and if done incorrectly, it may emit a foul odor. Let's move on to the solid waste management. The sources of solid waste. The first is the solid domestic garbage. Commonly known as trash or rubbish, is a waste type consisting of everyday items that are discarded by the public. Some examples are food and kitchen waste, yard trimmings, inorganic waste which consists of paper, cardboard, glass, and others. The next is the waste material from various industries. These wastes are also called industrial waste, which is defined as waste generated by manufacturing or industrial processes. It includes cafeteria garbage, dirt and gravel, concrete, scrap materials, trash, oil, solvents, chemicals, and others. The next method is the solid agricultural waste. It is unwanted or unsaleable materials produced wholly from agricultural operations directly related to the growing of crops or raising animals. Some examples include grapevines, vegetables, and fruit-bearing trash, plastic, glass, metals, e-waste, etc. E-waste is electronic products that are unwanted, not working, and nearing or at the end of their useful life, such as computers, televisions, and stereos. The next one is the medical waste. It is a subset of waste generated at healthcare facilities such as hospitals, physicians' offices, blood banks, and medical laboratories. Medical waste is healthcare waste that may be contaminated by blood, body fluids, or infectious materials. Some examples include needles, syringes, disposable masks, used bandages, samples, sample tests from blood, pee, or stool. The next is the construction waste, sewage sludge. Construction wastes are waste generated by construction activities like scraps, damaged or spoiled materials. Sewage sludge, on the other hand, are mud-like residue resulting from wastewater treatment. It contains heavy metals and pathogens like bacteria and viruses. Effects of poor solid waste management. Poor waste management may result to air pollution, water pollution, and soil contamination. Open and unnecessary landfills contribute to the contamination of drinking water and can cause infection and spread diseases. That is why we must minimize our waste through recycling, recovery of materials and energy from waste, and recycling waste to usable products.